Okay, so NIO shares are trading at a critical level, below the last support at $8.38. The trend is clearly bearish and in theory, NIO is heading to its next support level. So far, there is no significant bullish reaction, but if we see one, NIO could avoid a sharper correction for now. What are NIO's next target and what is needed for it to react and reject this bearish thesis? That's what I will try to answer in this video. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. First, in the 1 hour chart, short-term wise, we see that NIO lost its previous support level around $8.38. We were already trading below the 21 exponential moving average over here, and right now we lost the 8.38. We are way below the EMA, and any bounce, any possible bounce to the EMA or to the 8.38 again could be just a dead cat bounce in order for NIO to resume the bearish sentiment to lower levels. This is it. The trend is bearish. NIO is doing lower highs, lower lows. It is losing support levels in the short term, in the 1 hour chart. In the daily chart, we see that the $8.38 is a quite important support level because this key point did work as a support on October 24 last year, once again on March 2, and again 1, 2, 3 times on March 10, March 13, and March 14 yesterday. Right now, today, we are losing this key point. If we actually close below 8.38, it is going to be the first time in many months that NIO is going to close at such low level, below this critical support area over here. If we see a bullish reaction, yes, okay, maybe NIO is going to bounce again to higher levels, probably to the EMA in the daily chart over here, to the 21 EMA in the daily chart, around $9.30 over here. That's a real possibility. However, right now at the moment, there's not a single bullish reaction. I don't see any bullish reaction right now. What could possibly be a bullish reaction in your opinion, Nathan? Well, in my humble opinion, NIO would have to do a fantastic candlestick pattern, a very strong, very bullish candlestick pattern closing again above 8.38. If we see such reaction, in my humble opinion, as a retail trader, I believe we are going to bounce to the EMA again. And this is it. The trend in the daily chart is bearish and would still be bearish even if we see such reaction, because in the daily chart we see nothing but lower highs, lower lows over here. It is still trending. So in order to completely reverse the bearish sentiment in the daily chart, NIO would have to trigger a crystal clear bullish structure, a higher high, higher low, maybe a double bottom chart pattern, maybe a inverted head and shoulders. I don't know. I don't need to know in order to trade well. So right now there's no such thing. The bias is bearish. There is not a single bullish reaction indicating a bottom, and there is not a single bullish structure indicating a reversal. And before we talk about the weekly chart, remember, my dear friends, check my website, join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money while beating this market. Link is in the description of this video. Public track record, my dear friends, public track record. Now, in the weekly chart, this is why the situation is very problematic. In the weekly chart, NIO is clearly inside a descending channel, a huge, a gigantic descending channel, which is working since November 2020. So we see every time NIO hits its bottom level, it bounces. Every time it hits its ceiling, it drops. So yes, we are in a very delicate situation right now. This is a crystal clear descending channel. It is a crystal clear bear market, long-term speaking. In addition, like that wasn't enough, NIO just triggered a head and shoulders chart pattern over here in the bottom area, right? I mean, if this pattern appeared in the top level, okay, maybe it is acceptable, but we are doing this bearish pattern over here near a bottom level. So NIO is extremely bearish. The 21 EMA did work as a very nice resistance level this year, on January this year, and since then we are just dropping for weeks. So yes, NIO is clearly bearish, and to make things even worse, we are losing the previous support level at 940. The 940, we really tried to react over here at this candle, right? We did an amazing Dragonfly Doji 2 weeks ago. We tried to react at this area, which is a crystal clear support level, which has been working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it was a previous top level on NIO on January 2020. So I'm so sorry, previous top level, I'm so sorry, which was a previous gap area over here on June 2020. So it feels like this black line over here at 9.40 was our most important support level. Now, any bullish reaction on NIO might find a ceiling, might find a resistance around 940, and this is why it won't be easy for NIO to reverse. Could it reverse? Yes, of course. It always can reverse. What's the problem? It has to break its ceilings. It has to break its resistance levels first. Right now, we are just below support levels, so the situation is not that easy. So in theory, what is NIO's next target? Well, NIO's next target is the bottom level of this descending channel, which is very close to the $5.70, which was a previous top level over here on January 2020, this blue line. Now we are talking about this blue line at $5.70. So in theory, this is where NIO is heading to right now, unless if we see a very strong, meaningful bottom sign indicating that it could bounce or even possibly reverse this bearish sentiment. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this every single week, so if you are not my subscriber yet, consider subscribing this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights. Click on the like button because probably you like this video, otherwise you wouldn't still be watching this random Brazilian guy talking about a Chinese company, right? So come on, click on the like button, subscribe this channel, check my website, join the top 5%, link in the description. Thank you very much, stay safe, bye bye.